So today we got this slide container truck and it came in this big box. So we're gonna open it up. Are you excited to see it? Yeah. This transport truck was very easy to set up. It comes with this dice casting toys, cars, and it also has sounds and lights. So I also love the fact that on top of the truck it has an helipad for your helicopter, and it comes with this handle that you can use to carry the cars around. The gamepad has so many sceneries on it. It could create so many adventures, and this is a wonderful, wonderful way for your child to interact and show their expression through this play pad. And I also like that it has two areas that you can store the cars in, and the cars can be stored securely on there. And one other thing that I love is I love the fact that this car, you can see the size of the car compared to the truck. It's a good size, and it also has a car slide, so the child can put a car in at the top and the car just slides through. That was so cute, and this is very convenient to use and very portable for him to have.